Unboxing of some tractor parts. It's for my 53 Ford Jubilee. I bought, actually needed one spring off of the upper lift, hydraulic lift, which is this spring right here. When I pulled the pin, or you have to heat up the lift pin to get the old one out, and you gotta pound it all out. That's it right there. You can see that. I put a new lift pin in it, but when I heated it, I bent and warped the spring, so I needed a new spring. So anyhow, I found these. I found this on eBay. I got a good deal on it. Ford Jubilee parts. And it has the spring, and I'm like, well, I might as well spend all the money. Or spend the money on all the parts that the guy had. And buy the whole thing, which I did. Another lifter, I guess a lift arm, if you want to call it that. That's pretty nice. Oops, there's something else in here. Flat bar. If you're familiar with Ford Jubilees, you'll know what these parts are. That's nice. It'll be nice to have the extra parts for sure, in case I ever need them. This guy did a good job packing this. And that one. Those. Very nice. Definitely worth the money. Oh, here's this piece here. Which goes right here. Go this way. So I have an extra one of those. That's nice. By the way, the Jubilee is right here, right behind us. All right, here we go. So there's these two pieces. That's the spring that I needed right there. And I got this extra one. I wonder how the pin looks on the other hydraulic assembly. So that'll be nice. I don't know if I'll just replace this or just pull the spring. To pull the spring out is pretty easily. And I have the measurement of where it's supposed to be at anyhow, so that's a good deal. I got all this, I believe, less than 50 bucks. There we go, it's another part. It's nice. Nice to have these. And then this is the big piece here. Oh, there's two pieces. There's the other spring. He did a good job wrapping all this. I'm impressed. Well, this is the big spring that goes in the back. So this would go here. this. A nice big spring. Can't beat it for the price. I should have put gloves on. Look at that. There's this piece here. The splines all look good in there, nothing's stripped. That's nice. So, I don't see that other part in there. Oh yeah, there it is right there. So this is the pin that you have to pull out. Yeah, and if you can see on this one, my pin had way more wear than this, but let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, right there. Right here. You can see if I spin it around, there's very little wear on it, surprisingly. It's actually not bad, so I wouldn't have replaced that one, but some guys on the forums were saying that since you got it apart, you should replace it. See, and that's my old pin. And if you look, I'll put it towards the white here. If you look on the side, I don't know how well this will come. I mean, I can try to zoom in here, but my camera's messed up. Right on the side there. See it right there? It's pretty worn. I mean, considering, and then look at this one. Let's look at this one right here. It's really not that worn. But you have to heat this up to get that. They call it a lift pin out. It's got a little wear on it. But I put a brand new pin in it. You heat this up and then you gotta tap it out. So I got a brand new one in there, so I ain't worried about it. But this is what I needed right here. This spring. I left the other one at home on my desk. But I need this spring right here. So I can put that back together. And then I can put this here. I put this all back together right here. Fill it back up, and then my lift will be good, and then I can use my rototiller, my bush hog, and the bucket. That's the new rim that I put on it. There's a video in my playlist. Yeah. My old ski horse. I was gonna say Scorpion, but I had one of those too. Anyhow, that's the unboxing. Those were the parts. These are my original parts, and that's the spring I need right there. So it'll be this bad boy right here. This bad Larry. And go something like that. Is that right? Yeah, like that. Kind of like this. It goes like that. But everything on mine is good, so I'm just going to pull the spring. And you can put it on this side. Right there is my new lift pin that I put in. Right there. Alright. So this is Chris with Opportunity Barn. That was a quick unboxing of some tractor parts for the Ford Jubilee. Thanks for watching, folks. Stay tuned for more videos when I get around to it. Bye for now.